This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Rewards points. First, let's understand what Walmart Rewards are, now officially known as Walmart Cash. These are digital savings you earn on eligible purchases, both in store and online. Your rewards are automatically loaded to your Walmart account, making it simple to track your progress. It's a fantastic way to save money on items you already buy regularly, adding value to every shopping trip. Earning your Walmart Rewards, or Walmart Cash, is straightforward. You can earn through manufacturer offers on qualifying items. If you use a Walmart credit card, you can get up to 5% back on online purchases and 2% in store. For in-store shopping, ensure your Walmart account is linked for automatic earning. These earnings accumulate quickly, building up your savings balance with every qualifying item you buy. It's a seamless process designed for your convenience. Redeeming your Walmart rewards is just as easy as earning them. When you're ready to check out, either online or at a physical store, you'll have the option to apply your accumulated rewards balance. Simply select this option, and the rewards will be deducted directly from your purchase total. While rewards can be used on most items, remember there are a few exclusions, such as gift cards or alcohol. Enjoy seeing your savings instantly applied. To truly maximize your Walmart rewards, keep an eye out for special promotions. These often offer bonus rewards on specific products, helping your savings grow even faster. Don't hesitate to combine your rewards with other available discounts or coupons for even greater savings on your total purchase. Regularly checking your Walmart account allows you to track your balance and plan your next redemption. Make every shopping trip count and unlock significant savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.